Hello, this is Aiden. My channel is good, I guess. So, enjoy my video.
She killed it.
Yeah.
I was trying to wake it up.
Wait, yeah.
Oh, he's eating it.
No, it's still alive, Dad.
Hmm?
It's still alive. See?
Is it?
Yeah. Ripping feathers off of it now. Oh yeah, I see the blood on her fingers.
Hey, Paris found food, found supper for today. Look,
Yeah.
plucking her like nothing. Plucking it like none.
It's still alive, Dad.
Huh?
She's eating it alive.
How long can you
kiss Paris? Look where her mouth has been.
Oh.
Oh, it's still going.
get away?
Jumping for joy. It's jumping for joy. Not joy, but it's jumping.
If I was a bird and I was in a house with
Yeah,
birds,
you scared her. Why can't you walk up to her?
I kiss Paris on the nose.
Yeah, Clay, her nose is touching the blood.
I know. I don't care.
Bird just looking at her.
Dad, Paris ripped off a bunch of the feathers into me.
So what can't fly them.
Yeah, birds can't fly.
Then he'll just, eat her. Oh, there it goes.
Where?
The bird jumped up a little bit higher.
Hmm.
Where's the bird?
Right there, in front of Paris.
Oh,
Paris, just get it.
oh Georgie?
Where's Georgie?
Georgie?
Yeah,
He
Yeah,
killed-
Georgie killed a bird over there.
That's Georgie you want?
Uh-huh.
That's Paris. Ripping it apart.
Yeah, she's eating it alive.
It just blinked. The birdie just blinked.
Paris, come on, hurry up.
Just hurry up and kill it. Oh, it's petting it.
Petting it.
She's trying to scratch at it. She's not petting it.
Call that petting? It's so they're ripping a feather. That's petting.
The bird's like, what are you doing?
Yeah. Get up.
No.
That's where I was standing. I could have died from a bird.
The bird wouldn't kill you, Chloe. I don't think any bird would kill you, except for a vulture,
What?
maybe.
I want to get with you.
Not Paris. We're waiting on you. We've been waiting on you for...
What is she doing? She's sitting on it?
No. She's looking at it. She's sniffing it. I mean, Paris would eat it already if we weren't here. She'd probably bring it to the door and be like, hey, I killed the bird.